If you elect me to public office, you can guarantee that I'll be exposing scandals. When in the Senedd, it was me who first exposed the dodgy contract between Deryn, the lobbying firm, and Ofcom. The contract was lost. It was me who exposed the scandal of fake fire safety certificates in Cardiff Bay. It was me who exposed just 2 properties being sold at £1 million loss by the Welsh Government in Pontypridd. It was me who exposed light bulbs costing us £250 to have screwed in properties, public sector contracts. Now, that building behind us, those guys in there, they don't want these things out in the open. And that's why I was dealt with in the way that I was dealt with, by the powers that be in there, but also by the Welsh media like BBC Wales, for example. And I'll go back to a first. I was the first politician to secretly record the Standards Commissioner whilst being investigated, which resulted in him resigning. Yeah? When I published just some of the transcripts. Who can forget lockdown and the scandal of politicians in that building drinking and not being prosecuted? The only person they looked to prosecute was the waitress who was serving them. And it was me who exposed that scandal. And I'm glad to say that she wasn't prosecuted. I'm standing for office on the ticket of honesty, straight talking and accountability.